Khaira. Now I would like to call Sister Halima Sadia of grade 3 to come and present a hadith with its English meaning.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Halima Sadia of grade 3 and I am here to recite two hadiths. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Man taraka as-salata muta'ammidan faqad kafara. जिसने जानबूझकर नमाज छोड़ा उसने कुफ्र किया. अल्लाहुम्मा कीनी अज़ाबका यौमा तजमउ इबादका. ए अल्लाह तुम मुझे अपने अज़ाब से बचा जिस दिन तू अपने बंदों को जमा कर लेगा. जज़ाकुमुल्लाहु खैर. अस्सलामु अलैकुम रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू.
वालेकुम अस्सलाम warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Jazakumullahu khaira. Now I would like to call Sister Maryam Ahsan of grade 6A to come and present a speech on Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am Maryam Ahsan of grade 6A and today I am going to present a speech on Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan was born on 17th October 1817 in Delhi, the capital of Mughal Empire, to an affluent and aristocratic family that had close ties with Mughal court. He was educated in Quran and sciences. He also received an honorary degree from the University of Edinburgh later in life. He was a widely read person and studied books on mathematics, medicine, Persian, Arabic, Urdu, etc. Sir Syed was aware of the Mughal Empire's diminishing power, so he took the work as clerk with the East India Company. During the 1857 revolt, he lost many relatives. He was highly affected by the defeat of Mughal Empire. He wrote a profound booklet, Al-Bagawat-e-Hind, which cited British ignorance and aggressive expansion policies as the chief causes of the revolt. He advocated interfaith understanding. He was also a scholar in Christianity and wrote a book, Commentary on the Holy Bible. He set up many educational institutes to propagate education, the most significant being the Muhammadan Anglo-Oriental College, MAOC, which he set up in 1875, later became Aligarh Muslim University. Sir Syed was knighted by British in 1888 and he died on 27th March 1898, aged 80 in Aligarh. Now I am going to end my speech with a quote said by Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. हमारे दाएं हाथ में कुरान और बाएं हाथ में साइन और सर पर कलिमा ला इलाहा इल्लल्लाह मुहम्मदुर रसूलुल्लाह का ताज होगा. जज़ाकुमुल्लाहु खैर. अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू.
Now I would like to call Sister Ghazali of grade 5B to come and present names of Allah till 140.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Walaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
This is Zainab Al-Ghazali of grade 5 and I am going to present first to 40 names of Allah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Allah the greatest name. Ar-Rahman the all compassionate. Ar-Rahim the all merciful. Al-Malik the absolute ruler. Al-Quddus the pure one. As-Salam the source of peace. Al-Mu'min the inspirer of faith. Al-Muhaymin the guardian. Al-Aziz the victorious. Al-Jabbar the compeller. Al-Mutakabbir the greatest. Al-Khaliq the creator. Al-Bari the
الشكر
الباسط the reliever
الباسط الرليفر
الخافض the baiser
الخافض the baiser
الرافي the exalter
الرافع the exalter
المؤز the bestower of honor
المعز the bestower of honor
المذل the humiliator
المذل the humiliator
السميع the hearer of all
السميع the hearer of all
البصير the seer of all
البصير the seer of all
الحق the judge
الحق the judge
العدل the just
العدل the just
اللطيف the subtle one
اللطيف the subtle one
الخبير the all aware
الخبير the all aware
الحليم the forbearing
الحليم the forbearing